It's Bonnie. Happy Friday. Oh my gosh, you guys, check it out. I have two Ipsy bags to share for you guys today. I have got the Plus, and then I've got the regular Glam bag. If you are brand new to Ipsy, the Glam bag is $13 a month, and then the Plus bag is now $28, and you get 5 full-size products. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studio, which means that Ipsy does send me both bags for free each month, which is really cool. So I'm going to do the little bag first. Check it out. We've got this cute little, I like the little hand thing here, Power Moves bag. I use my Ipsy bags a lot. So I'm just going to empty this one out. See what I have. We have 5 products in this one. First up, I have, oh my gosh, I've been needing a pair of these. This is so awesome. I have a pair of tweezers from Arcoselli. I can't tell you how happy I am that I got these. It's the little things, you guys. So I got the tweezers. I got the Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. That actually looks highly intriguing. I'm going to have to try this one out. Hair product. This is from Pure Brazilian. This is a daily anti-frizz serum for longer, stronger hair. What does this smell like? It looks like it smells good. Ooh, it does smell good. It smells like summer. So I got that. I got the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow from Ciate. I like different like blush products. Let me see what this is. I want to try it out, you guys. Oh, check it out. This is actually really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit here, a little bit here. Rub this in. This is kind of nice, actually. I didn't put much blush on today, and I'm feeling like I look a little bit more vibrant now that I put this on. Oh, I like this product. It feels really smooth on my face. It feels moisturizing. Oh, I like this. Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow, this is called. Okay, so this is a good little bag this month. And then finally I got the Hydrating Eye Cream from First Aid Beauty. That's a little on the tiny side, but the other larger products kind of make up for it. So next up, I have the Plus bag. I love these bags. Like I said, I use these. Let me unpack. I also got a few extras this month from Ipsy, which I'm excited about. So let me take everything out here. Again, these are perfect. You can put anything in here. You can put your hand sanitizers. You can put your face masks. Just about anything you'd want to like take in your car fits in that bag perfectly. Ipsy did give me, check it out, a pen set and some Post-its, which I love Post-its, so I'm super happy. I just lost my pen. I'm like, where is my pen? I always keep a pen on my desk, and now I have 3 pens. So I'm super excited about that. So Ipsy Open Studios, this is called Make Your Power Move. Rock statement nails, take risks with unexpected hues, or dare to experiment with something totally new. You might just discover it's totally you. So we get this cute little card in here, and then we have 5 full-size products. They're actually not totally full-size. Check it out. I love this mascara, by the way. This is the Superhero. It's actually more of the trial size, but I like the trial sizes for mascara because I throw them out a lot. I actually have been using this all month. I haven't reviewed the box yet or the bag yet, but I have been using It's Superhero. It does really do a good job on your eyes. So I'm excited about that. I got the Saturday Skin. This is called Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I will try this out. I always like trying new facial products, especially masks. So I will do some research on this one and see if I like it. So I got that. Next up, I got the Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. I am a makeup brush addict. I love makeup brushes. This one is vegan, latex-free, and cruelty-free. Oh. I've seen these before. Did we get? I got one of these. I think maybe a BoxyCharm. I don't remember. So there is a makeup sponge on the end, and then you pull these apart or you unscrew them, and then you have multiple brushes. This would be really nice for travel or like in the car, because then you only have to carry one brush. So kind of a cool product. So I got that. I also got the Probiotics Balancing Cleanser from Soul Clean. Oh, that's kind of neat. This is a Korean beauty. So this is cool, K-Beauty. And then, I don't know, it looks kind of neat. I will try it out. And then finally, I think this is a palette. I got a palette. It's always nice to get a palette in here. This is the Defiance Carmella Cosmetics. Oops, I almost lost it. Check it out. Little packaging here. Oh, this is pretty. Pretty. Let me cover up the mirror here. Really nice. These don't feel like spring shades, but I do like, I gotta say, I do like these light shades because I always do a little bit of a highlight above my eye right here. I can't really do it with my bangs without making a mess, but I do a little bit of a highlight on top, because when you're over 50, you got to do everything you can to make your eyes pop. Trust me. So, yeah, I do try and put a little bit of highlighter on there. You can't see it much with my bangs, but I notice it, and it makes me feel good. So anyway, these are the Ipsy bags for March. Thank you so much to Ipsy for sending me these bags each month. I think my favorite products, I like the makeup brush. I love the mascara. I'm excited to try the hair products. But yeah, overall, really good bag this month from Ipsy. I'll see you next month on Ipsy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.